How did you do that?
Did you set the fireplace lights to Christmas colors yet?
Hold on, I'm doing this area first.
No, that doesn't match the tree.
I got this. I can get this fixed in just 1 minute in Govee DreamView. Look, it's easy. We go to Govee Home, and then click Feature Hub, and then we create a dream view. Create a new scenic dream view, and add the Govee lights you want. Just tap, tap, tap. Yep, now just pick a scene, like Christmas. Now let me show you something even more magical, where all the lights can dance together to music. This time, find Music Dream View. Choose main light that will pick up the music, and add other lights to join in. Tap an effect, and see the magic.